Actually, ma'am, my father's don't allow me go outside, and I am you can say I am brilliant student in my from my childhood. So I thought I want to go in BHU. So my father don't allow me, and then I decided that if I will hear and if I have a knowledge, so I can't sit at my home. I want she can do because she's housewife and she has many types of work, and if she can do, so why I am not?
You can't, I mean.
I'm a girl and I have no much responsibility. So I thought, yeah, that day I decided that definitely I will speak like her. Thought that yeah, a school teacher is good, and we can enjoy much with a student, and we can study too while teaching. So I thought that job is good. If I want to do other job, my parents said to me, you can do like computer related work. You can get expensive money. You can get
Yeah,
much
more
money
money.
also. But I thought not. I don't. Yeah, I don't want to get much money. I just want to improve. I just want to improve myself, and then I will get also much money.
Yes, yes. If you Amika ji, first of all, good afternoon and welcome to our session. And just tell me, how are you doing?
First, ma'am, thank you for giving me this golden opportunity to something about myself. So my name is Anamika and I'm from Uttar Pradesh in Bhadoni district and I'm 21 years old. If you talk about my education qualification, so I have completed my graduation. Currently, I'm teaching in a private school. So that's all about my introduction and my day is fantastic. And what about you, ma'am?
Wow, wonderful introduction, lovely introduction given by you. And I would say thanks for asking me. And if I talk about my day, so as it's Sunday, so I'm enjoying my day. I just had only one session and I edited my videos and I posted my videos on my channel. And I'm just enjoying this weekend. And there's something which is in my plan. Today I would go to my farm, my agricultural farm, and I would spend some time in only nature, with only greenery. So that's all about me.
Actually,
And
ma'am,
just
here to glad. Actually, I also like to spend time with in my farm, and I have a farm already, so I also like to do that things. Absolutely, you are right that if we will go in farm, so we feel much better there.
yeah, of course, of course. And even when we spend time, especially with the nature, then we get fresh air that mostly in a house we don't get.
Yeah,
But
yeah,
I
I'm
can say,
absolutely
as
right.
compared to those people who live in cities, we are better. At least we are not
Yeah,
surrounded with that hustle and bustle and buzzing and horns.
yeah. Actually, ma'am, they are not sleeping properly. Actually, I heard some my friend they live in city as like a market, and they are saying that Anamika, you are live in village and we are living in a city. So we are not sleeping very well because of noises problem. Because
Yeah.
she lives in beside the station, so most of time train is going. So that's why she's saying that here is much peace. I want to spend here time. So I said, yeah, of course, why not? It's
Even
my
at my
pleasure that
place,
you come at my.
my house is next to railway track. Okay, it's just 40 or 45 feet away from the railway track. And whenever train passes, my house also shakes. But now I'm habitual to it. I can sleep. Whenever I lay on my bed, I just uh, deep dive into the deep sleep because now I get used to it.
Famous. And
Okay,
I,
already know my name is Yashoda and I hail from Punjab and currently I'm connecting with you from Uttar Pradesh, Kaushambi district. It's next to Prayagraj district. Okay, Prayagraj, Allahabad
okay,
district.
ma'am.
And talking about my education, so I have just done my schooling from Punjab board and it's been 10 years. I'm a full-time homemaker. And since last 2 years, I have been working as a part-time YouTuber and I am an enthusiastic language learner. And if I talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies, there's only one hobby that I want to do. I just want to isolate myself. I love isolating myself and I love living only alone. I don't want anyone's validation or I don't want anyone's company to make me happy. I always want to immerse myself only into learning or exploring different things. That's all about me.
I think something internet problem, ma'am. Sometime your video suddenly stuck. Stop.
No, this time my Wi-Fi is working. Because
Okay.
the weather is cloudy. Nowadays weather is cloudy. Everywhere it rains on and off. So because of weather, sometimes network fluctuations happens.
In my side, at this time, weather is also cloud, and I love cloudy weather.
Do you love rains?
So, yeah,
Okay. Do you love playing and dancing in rains?
most of time by singing. Uh, sometime when I get time, so I love to sing, and some songs motivate me, so I love to sing it. And I heard many things about you. I know, and I thought that one day I will talk to you. It
And
is
your
as
dream has
a
come
like
true?
dream.
Yeah, your
Yeah,
dream has
ma'am.
come true.
And I thought in Prayagraj I have a. I went one time only in Kumbh Fair in Prayagraj. Nowadays, I'm just learning this language, and I want to enhance my fluency. And in free time, I love to write about myself. You can say I'm autobiographical person, and I love to talk with myself, and I love to spend my time with nature.
Okay. So
And
there is one.
I inspire from you.
Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
I was telling you
From
you
2 years ago,
okay. Continue.
can't-
No issue. अरे यार.
2 years ago, I from watching your videos, and then I realized really you are doing different than others human. And then I inspire from you, and then I decided that she can do because she's housewife and she has many types of work. And if she can do, so why I'm not? i'm
You can't
i'm
die.
I'm a girl, and I have a no much responsibility. So I thought, yeah, that day I decided that definitely I will speak like her, and one day definitely I
Of
will talk to
course.
you.
Even I would say
And
you are
after a
speaking
long
much
time
better.
ago, I'm
You
connecting
know,
with you.
you are speaking much better, and I hope within few months you will speak uh, more precisely than me. Okay. So yeah, tell me something
No,
about
man.
your profession.
Actually,
As you mentioned that you are a teacher, so how long have you been in this particular profession? Since
yeah.
when have you been teaching?
1 years I have completed in my teaching field, and I have I have experienced many things in teaching field. So actually, I first when I was in second year, then I was teaching computer like BA student, Bachelor of Arts. So I thought that I'm not for teaching computer. Actually, I don't feel good while teaching computer. So I said to my ma'am that ma'am, I want to not teach computers. I want to teach in a school. And that was very boring. And when I teach any student, that computer brightness effect on my eyes. So I
Of
thought
course,
that
yeah.
one day I will, how I can say, I will blind. Ma'am means blind.
Yeah, it our eyesight also
I will
get
blind.
weakened.
So I thought that.
Our eyesight
Yeah,
because of
so
the
that's the reason I quit that because of brightness. So I quit that work, and then I decided that I will do others. And I came on teaching, and then I feel much better. Actually, I never thought that I will teach in any school, and I am a good teacher. I will be a good teacher. But because of student, they are saying, "Ma'am, your example and your teaching style is good, and you are very funny teacher too." So I said to my student, I never thought that I will be a teacher, and I don't accept that I am teacher. Even I never accept that I am teacher. And most of students and parents saying you are not like a teacher, you are like a 12, 11 student. I said to them that I have completed my graduation. And many people are saying like this, but I never listen to them. I just and I think that I'm a good teacher, and I feel much better with my student. I very much. and I can feel my everything with my students. Actually, ma'am, when we grow up, then we forget our happiness, we forget our childhood. Many things we left. Even we left our friend because of
Yes,
work
yes,
and
yes,
because
yes.
of achieving our goals. So I thought that yeah, a school teacher is good, and we can enjoy much with a student, and we can study too while teaching. So I thought that job is good. If I want to do other job, my parents said to me, you can do like computer related work. You can get expensive money. You can
Yeah,
get much
more
money
money.
also. But I thought not. I don't. Yeah, I don't want to get much money. I just want to improve. I just want to improve myself, and then I will get also much money.
Yes, yes.
Perhaps.
If you are working on your
And
personality, if you
yeah,
really want to uh, get that, if you really want to develop yourself, then of course, just by developing yourself and working on yourself, eventually you will get lots of money. But first of all, we need to develop a particular skill that we're really passionate about. Okay, so as you mentioned, teaching profession. So, um, why? Why only this profession? As you mentioned that you have been teaching for a very long time. Okay. So, is there any of your teacher because of their after seeing them you felt like this teacher is teaching in a very good way, so after completing my studies I would also become a teacher? Is there any particular reason for choosing this particular field?
uh, actually, ma'am, my father's don't allow me go outside, and I am. You can say I am brilliant student in my from my childhood. So I thought I want to go in BHU. So my father don't allow me, and then I decided that if I will hear and if I have a knowledge, so I can't sit at my home. I want to earn something. And then situation comes suddenly that then I said to my father that I want to teach, but my father first time he said to me, "Don't. You haven't need to go there for teaching. You
Oh,
have a if
he
you have a
refused.
need of money, so I am here." Yeah, yeah. Refuse. And only my father refused me, and I thought that my father not cooperating me, but I will do because I am very obstinate and passionate girl. If I decided that that thing I will do, definitely I do. Even I ride bikes, cycles, scooty, many things I have learned. And but my father don't allow me for riding. But I ride sometimes because I feel much better. I know my father is saying right, but I also passionate, so it's my habit.
So
So
I
my
can say,
father refused me. Then I decided no.
after listening to your story, I can say when it comes to fulfilling your dreams or achieving your dreams, then you become more stubborn girl.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Very stubborn. My mother said always that you are very stubborn. I said because I'm not doing anything wrong, but I'm doing something different. Many people will stop me, but no one stop if I will not stop to myself. So my father suddenly refused me, but I don't listen to my father. I go there for teaching, and I saw there are many girls they were teaching, and they were teaching very with patiently. So I thought that I can. That was my first day of teaching. So I saw one girl. She motivated to me for teaching. Actually, her name is Vaishakha, and she was Mishra, and she was very good teacher, and she tell me anything, many thing related to teaching. So I thought that I am unable to teach because that was my first time. Principal sir said to me that you have no any experience, so I will pay you 1,500. So I thought nothing is better than something.
Yeah.
That time I thought nothing is better than something. Then I decided to I will do that, and I started to do, but my father against to me, and my father saying to me, my village people, to them that she is crazy, she don't listen to me, and she is refusing, she is unrespecting to me, and many people said to my father that she is doing right and you should cooperate to her, and there is no any shameless matter, that why you are stopping to her, she is doing well. So my father realized after 3 months later, then my father said to me that you are doing right, and now my
All
father
right.
always cooperating me for teaching. And that time, yeah,
So
and
now
then I decided that in
now he
future
supports
I
you.
will be a
Does he
teacher
support
because
you? Does your father support you now?
yeah, now my father, mother, everyone supporting me. Even they are cooperate. They are saying to others, girls, you are educated. Why you sitting here at your home? Go and teach and do any other work now. But that time they were not supporting to me. But
Okay.
at this time, if I will sit at my home, so they will definitely say go for teaching
Oh, so
anywhere. And I like,
by the way, how many,
yeah.
especially, but about your father, what does he do?
My father is a shopkeeper and my mother is a housewife. And most
Okay.
of time my father live at my shop. And, yeah, and he gives rent room. He gives room of rent for rent. If
Okay.
any person want to live here, so my father room for rent.
Okay. 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 So by the way, how many
And
siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have?
I I have three siblings, and one
Including.
sibling, one one sister, and yeah, she is younger than me, and I am at her. Actually, I have one brother. Her name is Ajay, and he does painting work. And my one sister, she is in graduation second year, and my third sister, she is in class 11th, and I am final my graduation.
Okay.
I have completed my graduation.
So
Yeah.
I can say you are one of the most bold girl or most bold child of your family who are pursuing your
Yeah, ma'am.
dream.
And ma'am, I also make video on YouTube, but most of people don't know. I don't tell to my parents that I make video. Sometime when I get time, so I go on my roof, then I record my video. I have a buy a mic, and from my money, and I never told to my parents that I make video. But my sister, they have told to my mother, but she doesn't watch my videos. But she know that I'm making video, but she never watch. But in one day, definitely she will watch, but she don't understand it what I'm saying.
Of
In my
course.
village, no one can get if when in English.
You know, especially in villages, making understand to our parents, to our mothers, to our fathers, to our relatives that we are doing something productive. We are not doing anything wrong. Please support us. If you want others' validation for you, if you want others, if you have some expectations, okay, for your family members, so you will make yourself unhappy. So it's better to keep working on it, keep working on your channel secretly, and the day when it will come in your life, when your channel will get monetized, then you will share it with your parents, and then you can get appreciation from your parents as well. And there's no doubt all of them, they will pat on your back, because in our life now, it's kind of a truth of our life that nobody helps you, especially in your times of struggle, in your days of struggle. But when you achieve something in your life, something big in your life, then everyone comes to you and everyone starts appreciating you. I know that
Yeah,
I already knew that you would do something bigger in your life. So these kind of things happening. But the thing which matters here, that you should keep focusing only on your goal. If you are passionate about YouTube, becoming a YouTube, okay. So YouTube is not only about making videos. It's about, if we feel like making videos, we feel like sharing our insights, we feel like sharing what we
yeah,
already know, or so there's nothing wrong. You
yeah.
can share, and maybe something big has written
And
in
ma'am,
your
I want
destiny that you would get after putting lots of efforts. So there's nothing wrong. Everything starts from zero, and then zero always turns into a hero. So each and every YouTuber
yeah, ma'am.
has started their journey from zero, and who all those YouTuber who have already more than million subscribers, so now they are hero just because of they started from zero. So starting from scratch is really very important.
Yes, ma'am.
It's
Actually, certainly, my story.
I would say you have such an inspiring story that though your father didn't
Actually,
support you, your family is not too supportive, still you are working, you are pursuing your dream, and you are working as a teacher. Okay, you are working on your communication skill. So I can say you are also wearing too many hats.
ma'am, when my story come on my YouTube channel, actually that YouTube channel is very big channel. That name is Inspire with Raja. Actually, ma'am, my both pair has broken when I was 10 years in my childhood. So everyone are saying to me as I am burden for my parents, and they are saying many things that you should die on that accidents. Even today they are saying, but not longer now. And currently I'm as a independent girl, and I'm doing well in, and that's the reason I'm trying to give my best, because my even my parents, they are saying as a burden. If you saw that video you will cry, ma'am, definitely. And I'm fighting with my parents, with the society, and I'm giving my best for achieving fluency, for getting success in my life. And my student, they are very supportive to me. Every student, they like me very much. And
You are
some days
blessed.
I begin to cry because of they love me very much.
I can say you are blessed that you got that kind of students who always supports you. Okay, so when
Yeah,
did you
ma'am, they are loving me
when did
very
you
much.
start teaching? First time, when did you start teaching?
When I teaching start
Yeah.
2024, I start, I think,
You were just saying that yeah,
from
when the Corona
September.
happened, at that time you were
From
teaching.
September. Yeah, that time I was teaching coaching, but I never. That time I was not teaching in a school. That time I was teaching coaching
Okay, means it
for
you
students.
means you were providing them only like information. So do you also used to get money from that coaching, or you used to teach without any money?
No, actually, it was my pleasure. Actually, when my villager said to me as a teacher, as a ma'am, so I feel much better and I feel much happy, and I like to do, because they are saying as a ma'am. Feel much better. I never take money from them. I said just you come and give your 1 hours, and most every villager, my village said to me that villager never, everyone said to me that you are very good girl and you are teaching well without taking any fees and anything. You are teaching very well, and I feel much better, and I don't take the time. Said to me, Mama always was scolding to me. She said to me, "Why you are doing like this? You are not getting even single rupees. So why you do?" I said to my mama that I feel happy with them, and when they say teacher, when I I came in my village, I go there anywhere. So they are saying, Anamika ma'am is come, and they started to running. So I feel much happy on that time, and today, even today also, my student, many student doing like this, and
So
some come and some say, "Hi
do
ma'am,
you
how
also
are you?"
I have a question. Do you also speak English with your students?
Yeah, ma'am. Sometime I speak, but they don't understand. And my principal ma'am said to me, she said to me, "I have a one complaint for you." I said, "Ma'am, what happened?" Ma'am said, principal ma'am said, "You are speaking in English, and nobody can, and don't speak. I am not see you stop your journey. First speak English, then try to tell to them in Hindi." So I said, "Okay, ma'am, I will try."
Okay,
And
okay,
they are
okay.
very shocked with when first time I talk them in English. They are very shocked. Even no one can speak in school. No one can speak English. So my principals are cooperating to me, and ma'am also. They are saying that you are good. And where you learn this language? I said from social media, and there are many things.
Even nowadays, in order to learn a particular language, we don't need to
But
spend lots of money. But earlier, we used to go to coaching, personal coaching, and even after going to coaching, after joining a coaching, hardly people see any results. Okay, so I have one last question because our meeting is about to end. Only 5 minutes has left. So there's only one question. After learning this
yeah,
language, what are your goals? Apart from learning this language, what are your goals? What you really want to do in your life? You have to give short answer.
I open an institute and okay. So in after learning this language, first I will open an institute and I will teach to them that how to speak fluently. And I want to be a fluent speaker and I want to be English teacher in this language, English lecturer you can say. And I will motivate to them. This is something. I
But
will
I
open
think
institute
you have a
for spoken English because
very
my
big,
teacher
you
and
have very
my
big dreams,
uh,
and big opportunities are waiting for you. You just need to keep working on your goals, and then you will achieve each and every of your dreams one by one, one by one, one by one. So I just wish you, may God bless you, and may God fulfill your dreams. And it was really nice talking to you. You really motivated me a lot. Just by listening to your story, I got inspiration from you. So thank you for joining me, and thank you for connecting with me. Thank you for inspiring me, not only to me, but also to our viewers, because our viewers who are going to watch this video, so they are going to get lots of motivation from you, from a lady who is a teacher, who is a daughter, and more than that.
thank you very much for ma'am inviting this conversation video, and I am very happy that I talk with you. That is my dream, and it's come true. It is true, and I'm very happy after talking
Because
with you, and I learned many things from you
I'm also
because
from UP itself, there's no doubt, and I'm also just like you. There's only one difference that still you are unmarried and I'm married. There's only one difference. Apart from this, all of us we have same qualities. Okay, okay. You are teaching offline. Okay, but whatever I know, whatever knowledge I have, I try to impart my knowledge through social media. So there's only one small differences. Otherwise, both of us we are on the same boat. We are just like two peas in a pod.
I teach ma'am online, offline both. Actually, I teach in school and I upload videos related to English on my YouTube channel.
So just
So I do both work.
you
So
can
yeah,
see, and
thank you for
I'm also thinking about
appreciating to
teaching
me.
offline. I also want to teach offline to my village students, but it would take time. There's no doubt.
Yeah, ma'am, it will take time. You will start, so most of people will support you because in village that is good way to start your
Yes,
coaching.
yes, yes. Okay. Okay, Anamika ji.
And
So the meeting is going
uh,
to be at. Okay, so I would say it was really very uh, nice session. It was an quite an inspiring session with you, and I thoroughly enjoyed it. And thanks for connecting with me.